The bar end mirrors are by Mechanical Zealots, so I'm gonna install these guys. So the first step was to remove the actual stock bar ends, which I won't lie, I had a difficulty doing it. So I held this bar end like this here with this guy here, and then I used this, and I had my father do it actually, but I held here, and then he got that unscrewed. So anyways, that's what I did because that was on there really tight. First step, remove the stock bar end. Now, there may have been a little bit of Loctite on it. I might have to get that core out of there to put the bar and mirror in, actually. All right, guys, so this is where we're at. We got the bar end out. Now we've got the core still in there, but we need to get that out of there so that this can go into the handlebar, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw this back in there, the existing bolt, OEM bolt, screw that in there, and I'm gonna put pliers on it and see if I can pull the core out. I'm just gonna throw some WD-40 in there, so hopefully it'll come out a little bit nicer. So now I'm gonna put this guy back in as far as I can go, I guess. So this is the best thing I can do. I see it coming.
You got it?
I see it moving.
It's moving.
Oh yeah, you're getting it. There you go.
I dropped the microphone.
You're just stronger than I am.
Well, it was 2 people operation.
Thank you, Dad. Just like that. That's why you need a father with old man strength. Dad strength. This is the core that was stuck in there that was giving us tons of problems. So now we've got obviously an opening there to put our mirror in. Oh, they also give you an Allen key, which I have, but so hopefully this thing will tighten up enough. Well, I guess we can only test it and guess we'll see if it holds up. Well, yeah, I mean, all right, so I'm gonna take off these mirrors. I'm gonna do it here, and then hopefully I'll just be able to screw back into the holes. That'll look cool, I think. I might put caps on these. There we go. That's it with those mirrors. That's pretty sweet looking. That looks good. That looks real good. Successful project with a lot of help.